Homemade shampoo of onion and aloe vera. Effective and economical. For centuries, aloe vera has been used in home remedies to promote hair health. In fact, it is very useful to combat hair loss naturally. The same can be said of the onion. This ingredient can be used for endless things, and in particular for hair loss works very well. Although many commercial shampoos promote their products claiming they contain aloe vera, the truth is that if it does not say that it should be refrigerated, it is because the amount of aloe vera is too small or too processed to have any effect. In addition, many times the other ingredients that you throw to the shampoo are preservatives, and those things end up nullifying the benefits that can have the aloe vera. So to take advantage of the benefits of aloe vera for hair, the best option is to make our own shampoo at home. Here we offer a recipe for making homemade aloe vera shampoo, and of course, it should be refrigerated. Ingredients: 1. 100 grams of aloe vera. 2. 100 grams of onion. 3. A bar of neutral soap. 4. 1 liter of water. Preparation: 1. Grate the soap and pour it into a bottle. 2. Put the aloe vera and the onion into small pieces to boil in water for 15 minutes. The pot must be covered. 3. When cooled, drain and add liquids to the bottle with soap. Stir and let stand until soap is diluted. It cools. Important: if you have dried hair, it is because the hair has to get accustomed to the neutral soap. You can give a final rinse with equal parts of water and apple vinegar to bring back the pH balance in the hair. If it smells very bad, the hair for the onion, also apply lemon with the apple vinegar. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.